and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Indian Railways hiked passenger fares by 14.2%, freight charges up by 6.5%, hike in force from midnight. It is first bit appeal of Modi government to Aam Aadmi. Daulikar assures no toll charge even if centre takes up construction of bridges like Zuari. Union Transport Minister Gadkari to meet state PWD officials on 24 June. Oppose continues to Mutalik's probable Goa visit. Prominent citizens claim Mutalik's visit will disturb communal harmony. Catholic Association demands Mutalik ban. CBI to question Goa governor in VVIP chopper scam by month end. CBI director says government's consent not needed. Governor BV Vanchu leaves for Delhi. And Luis Suarez inspires Uruguay to victory over England. Colombia beat Ivory Coast to enter pre-quarterfinals at FIFA World Cup Brazil. And now the news in detail. Its first bit appeal of the Modi-led government. Indian Railways have hiked passenger fares by 14.2%. The freight charges have also been increased by 6.5%. The hike is enforced from Friday midnight. The decision is following Indian Railways' low revenue generation. The railway budget is likely to be presented by second week of July. Meanwhile, the Union Health Ministry has written to the Union Finance Ministry to increase the taxes on cigarettes by 3.50 paise per stick irrespective of its length. The railway and the union budgets will be presented in the second week of July.
This whole railway cannot be a altogether new railway from today onwards.
So just to be clear, it's going to be effective from 25th?
Yes, it will be effective.
Midnight, sir?
Yes. Yes, it will be effect from 25th onwards. 5% freight and 10% passenger hike has been done by the earlier government, and it was withheld by the earlier my predecessor. So that withholding the order has been withdrawn by me.
PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar has assured that toll will not be allowed even if centre takes up the construction of bridges like Zuari in Goa. Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari will meet all the state PWD officials in Delhi on 24 June. Sudin along with the officials will meet Gadkari a day prior to the meeting. Sudin will discuss state project plans with Minister Gadkari. Earlier, Union Tourism Minister for State Shripad had said that bridges in the state will not be toll-free if centre constructs them.
त्याचबरोबर जुवारीचो ब्रिज हो सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट आमच्या प्रायम मिनिस्टरान मान्य केल्लो आसा. गालजीबाग आनी हांगसर एक दोन पूल जे आहात तातूंत अशे त्या हायवेक अडचण आसा ते पूल सुद्दां स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटान आपूण बांदता म्हणल्यार कारण फाल्यां हायवेच्यान जर पूल बांदले जाल्यार टोल थंय येतलो. कायद्यान टोल मागीर टोल हो विशय गोंयकारांक कसोच सहन जायना. त्यामुळे तो टोल फ्री जातलो जाल्यार ते गोंय गव्हर्नमेंटान आपूण बांदून घेतले म्हणल्यार
मुख्यमंत्र्याक एश्युरन्स दिला प्रायम मिनिस्टरान आनी आमच्या मिनिस्टर MOST MORTH की जुवारी ब्रिज जो आसा तो कंप्लीट ह्या 2 वर्सांत आमी करून दितले.
जुवारी ब्रिज तर तेणी बांदून टोल बी तशें कितें
टोल बी कांय आसचें ना कारण गोंय हो ट्युरिस्टीक इम्पॉर्टन्स स्टेट आसा. आमकां टोल जर लायलो आमकां ताजे परिणाम बाकीचे हेचेर जातलो. परत लोकांक त्रासदायक अश्यो गोश्टी हे गव्हर्नमेंट केन्नाच करचें ना.
Sudin Daulikar along with officials are likely to meet Nitin Gadkari to discuss PWD project plans for Goa.
Amcha principal chief secretary along with other engineers are meeting with our union minister. ताणे स्वता मिटींग कॉल आउट केल्या. ताजे पयले दिसा म्हजी मिटींग युनियन मिनिस्ट्री कडेन आसा. पयलींच मुख्यमंत्री आमचो मेळून आयिल्लो आसा आनी काही प्रोजेक्ट जे आसा आमचे अर्धवट स्थितींत आसा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जुवारी ब्रिज, खांडेपार ब्रिज, आमच्या काणकोणचे प्रोजेक्ट, परत नॅशनल हायवे NH14, NH17A-B आणि NH4A हे सगळे प्रोजेक्ट आमी घेवपाचे ठरयल्ले आसा आणि इल्ले इल्ले करून आमी प्रोसेस करतले. फाटले काही CRF फंड्स आमकां मेळ्ळ्या ताचे बरोबर अंदू आमकां कितें मेळटलें नॅशनल हायवे आनी मेंटेनन्सा खातीर आनी CRF खातीर हेंय डिस्कशन आमी ह्या मिटिंगेक करतले आनी बऱ्यो गोश्टी गोंयांक दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. The pause continues to Ram Seni Chief Pramod Mutalik's probable visit to the state. Prominent citizens of the state claim that his visit will disturb communal harmony in the state. Goa Catholic Association has demanded that Mutalik's entry in the state should be banned. However, Advocate Satish Sonak says that Mutalik should come and learn about secularism in Goa.
The third All India Hindu Convention, a week-long gathering, is underway at Ramnath Temple in Bandora Ponda. It is still not confirmed whether Ram Seni Chief Pramod Mutalik will participate in this convention or not. His probable visit has been kept a top secret by the organizers. However, with the probability of he visiting the convention, prominent citizens of the state have opposed his plans.
Pramod Mutalik ही व्यक्ती आणि ताची रामसेना ही आमचे देशाक लागिल्ली कीड. गोंयांत धर्मवाद कसोच निर्माण करूंक फावना आनी जर प्रमोद मुतालीक जर गोंयांत आयलो आनी रामसेना जर आयली जाल्यार माकड सेना गोंयांत जातली आनी गोंयची जी एक धार्मीक भावना आसा जी आमी एक भावनेन एकठांय आसात ती नश्ट जातली. त्या खातीर प्रमोद मुतालिकाक गोंयांत कशेंच भितर सरूंक दिवपाक फावना. जशें बेळगांवच्या लोकांनी केल्लें तशें घडपाक जाय आनी इतलीच आमची अपेक्षा आसा.
Social activist Advocate Satish Sonak wants Mutalik to visit the state and learn secularism from Goyakars.
म्हजें एक दुसरें मत आसा की मुतालिका सारक्या लोकांक गोंयांत मुद्दाम आपोवंक जाय. कित्याक आपोवंक जाय? तशें जर लोक आयले ते पळयतले की गोंयांत हिंदू मुस्लीम कॅथलीक कितले एकमेका कडेन बरे वागता म्हणून. तर हे मुतालिका सारके लोक सुधरपाक तांच्यांनी पळोवंक जाय की सेक्युलरिझम म्हणटा तो कितें आसा आनी तांच्यांनी जर तो पळयलो आख्ख्या देशान वचून ते सांगताले की गोंया सारके सेक्युलर जावंक जाय म्हणून. दुसरो एक प्रश्न असो आसा लोक म्हणटले की ना कॅसिनो सारको इशू आसा लोकांनी जर कायदो हातीन घेतलो ना जाल्यार कॅसिनो केन्नाच बंद जावचे ना. तर अशें जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना गोंयचे लोक पासून कॅसिनो बीन बंद करूंक शकता मुतालिका सारक्या लोकांक सपोर्ट दितले आनी ताच्या फाटी वतले असो म्हाका भंय आसा.
Meanwhile, Goa Catholic Association has also demanded to ban Mutalik's entry in state. Association has demanded Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's intervention. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.